Picture this. You're 67 years old. You feel pretty good. You walk the neighborhood most mornings, you cook your own meals, you drive yourself to appointments. Life feels steady. And then one afternoon, something shifts. Your knee buckles on the way downstairs, or your doctor says 3 words you weren't expecting. You need surgery. And just like that, everything changes. Here's the truth that nobody wants to say out loud. After 65, certain surgeries don't just become possible. For millions of Americans, they become almost inevitable. But only if you don't know what's coming. Today, we're changing that. 7 surgeries, 7 warnings, and what you can do right now, starting today, to protect the life you've built. Before we get into the 7 surgeries, let me tell you something that might reframe the way you think about this entire conversation. Surgery after 65 is not a personal failure. It's not bad luck. It is almost always the end result of a long, quiet story that started years, sometimes decades earlier. Small inflammation, gradual joint wear, slowly hardening arteries, a bone density loss so subtle no one notices until a fall makes it obvious. The human body is extraordinary at hiding problems until it simply can't anymore. And that delay between when something starts and when it becomes a crisis is exactly the window where you have the most power. That window is open right now. Let's use it wisely. Surgery number 1, and the most performed surgical procedure on Americans over 65? Knee replacement. More than 700,000 Americans have their knee replaced every year, and that number is climbing fast. The cruel irony of knee replacement is that most people spend years, sometimes a full decade, living with the warning signs before they ever reach a surgeon's table. That grinding sensation when you climb stairs, the stiffness that greets you every single morning like an unwelcome visitor, the way you've quietly started avoiding walks, trips to the mall, even family outings, because you know your knee will make you pay for it later. Most people ignore this. They call it aging. But here's what's actually happening beneath the surface. Surgery number 2, cataract removal. Here's a number that should stop you cold. Over 4 million cataract surgeries are performed in the United States every single year. It is the most frequently performed surgery in the entire country, and almost every single patient is over 60. The sneaky thing about cataracts is how slowly they arrive. First, headlights at night seem a little too bright. Then reading becomes slightly harder, even with glasses. Colors lose their sharpness. The world gets a kind of permanent haze over it. And because it happens so gradually, most people adapt, squinting a little more, reading a little less, quietly withdrawing from the activities that require clear vision. But here's the shocking part. By the time most seniors seek help, their independence has already started to shrink. Surgery number 3. This one surprises people every time. Gallbladder removal, or cholecystectomy, is one of the most common abdominal surgeries performed on adults over 65 in America. Gallstones are extraordinarily common in older adults, and for many people, they sit silently for years. Until one night, often after a rich meal, a wave of sharp pain strikes just below the ribcage. Sometimes it radiates up into the shoulder. Sometimes it comes with nausea so intense, people mistake it for a heart attack. Most people over 65 who develop symptomatic gallstones will eventually need surgery. But the key word is eventually. Dietary changes and early detection can push that timeline back significantly, or sometimes out of the picture entirely. Surgery number 5, coronary artery bypass or cardiac stenting. Heart disease remains the number 1 killer of Americans over 65, and what makes it so devastating is its silence. For years, sometimes for an entire decade, coronary artery disease builds without a single symptom you'd recognize. Plaque accumulates, arteries narrow, and then one Tuesday morning, while doing nothing unusual at all, the heart sends a signal that can no longer be ignored. About half of all cardiac surgeries in the United States are performed on adults over 65. And yet study after study shows that the lifestyle changes most likely to prevent heart surgery are also the ones most consistently underestimated. Consistent movement, anti-inflammatory eating, stress reduction, and quality sleep. Simple, unglamorous, life-saving. Surgery number 5, coronary artery bypass or cardiac stenting. Heart disease remains the #1 killer of Americans over 65, and what makes it so devastating is its silence. For years, sometimes for an entire decade, coronary artery disease builds without a single symptom you'd recognize. Plaque accumulates, arteries narrow, and then one Tuesday morning, while doing nothing unusual at all, the heart sends a signal that can no longer be ignored. About half of all cardiac surgeries in the United States are performed on adults over 65. And yet study after study shows that the lifestyle changes most likely to prevent heart surgery are also the ones most consistently underestimated. Consistent movement, anti-inflammatory eating, stress reduction, and quality sleep. Simple, unglamorous, life-saving. Surgery number 6. Spinal decompression or fusion. Chronic back pain is so widespread among Americans over 65 that many people have simply accepted it as normal. But persistent lower back pain, numbness that travels down the leg, or that strange weakness when you've been standing too long, these are not just aches. They are the nervous system waving a flag. Spinal stenosis, which is a narrowing of the spaces within the spine, affects an estimated 500,000 Americans each year and is most common in adults over 60. And here's what most people ignore. Early physical therapy, targeted core strengthening, and posture corrections can dramatically slow the progression of spinal narrowing. The people who end up in spinal surgery are very often the people who waited too long to take the early signs seriously. And surgery number 7, colorectal surgery. This one is the hardest for most people to talk about, which is exactly why so many people over 65 are blindsided by it. Colorectal cancer is the second most common cause of cancer-related death in the United States, and the majority of cases are diagnosed in adults over 65. Here is the critical truth. When colorectal cancer is caught early through a routine colonoscopy, survival rates exceed 90%. When it's caught late, that number drops dramatically. Yet millions of Americans over 65 skip or delay their screenings every year because of embarrassment, fear, or the assumption that feeling fine means being fine. Feeling fine is not a diagnosis. A screening is. Please don't skip it. 7 surgeries. 7 stories that begin years before anyone ever picks up a scalpel. And every single one of them has a window, a period where knowledge, small habits, and early action can change the ending entirely. Before we talk about exactly what that looks like for you, if this video is giving you the kind of information your doctor doesn't always have time to sit down and explain, go ahead and hit that like button right now. It genuinely helps us reach more people over 65 who need to hear this. And if you haven't subscribed yet, join us. We post new senior health content every single week. Now, let's talk about what you can actually do. Here's your action plan, and it's simpler than you might expect. First, move every single day. Not intensely, just consistently. A 20 to 30-minute walk protects your knees, strengthens the muscles around your hips, supports your heart, and reduces your fall risk more than almost any supplement on the market. Second, eat to fight inflammation. The foods that accelerate joint breakdown, clog arteries, and weaken bones are the same ones most Americans eat daily. Processed sugars, refined carbohydrates, and excess sodium. Replace even a fraction of those with leafy greens, fatty fish, berries, and olive oil, and your body begins to respond, often within weeks. Third, stay current on your screenings. Colonoscopies, eye exams, bone density scans, and cardiac checkups are not optional after 65. They are your early warning system. Fourth, take your balance seriously. This sounds almost too simple to matter, but the research is unambiguous. Seniors who do regular balance training, standing on one foot, gentle yoga, tai chi, even targeted physical therapy, dramatically reduce their fall risk and their hip fracture risk. Fifth, talk to your doctor about every medication you take. Ask specifically, could any of these affect my balance or my bone strength? Many common prescriptions do. That conversation takes 3 minutes and could prevent a surgery that takes 3 months to recover from. And sixth, protect your vision proactively. Annual eye exams after 65 are non-negotiable. Cataracts detected early are treated simply. Ignored, they set off a chain reaction of falls, isolation, and lost independence that is genuinely heartbreaking to witness. Here is what I want you to hold on to after this video ends. None of the 7 surgeries we talked about today are guaranteed. Not a single one. They are possibilities. And possibilities can be reshaped by the choices you make starting today. The seniors who navigate their 70s and 80s with their mobility, their vision, their hearts, and their independence intact are not simply the lucky ones. They are the ones who paid attention, who asked questions, who made small, consistent choices over time that compounded into remarkable outcomes. You have the same capacity, right now, today. The most powerful moment in your health story is always the present one. Before you go, if someone you love is 65 or older, please share this video with them today. Not to worry them, but because the information in these next few years is genuinely some of the most powerful health knowledge they will ever have access to. Drop a comment below and tell us, which of these 7 surgeries surprised you the most? Or has one of them already touched your life or your family's? We read every single comment, and your stories help build a community that looks out for each other. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now and check out our next video on the 5 foods that protect your bones, joints, and heart after 65. It's one you genuinely do not want to miss. Take good care of yourself. You've absolutely earned it.